What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here and welcome back to another gorgeous video. And in this video we're going to be talking about how to make our Windows 11 faster. As everybody knows that Windows 11 is already a faster operating system than Windows 10, but still here are some tweaks which we can use to make it even more faster. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can make it even more faster by following 3 simple steps. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so firstly we're gonna disable startup apps to make our Windows 11 boot time faster. So how do we do that? Simply go to this little new start, click on that, and here in the app section you should find settings over here. Click on it and wait for it to open. And you can see these settings are a lot changed from the previous ones. Okay, this is a cool thing about Windows 11. So never mind. Oh, where was I? Oh yeah, the startup apps. Okay, in the search bar we have to type STARTUP space APPS. Here we go, startup apps, and here you will find an option saying startup apps. Click on it, and here you can see your apps which are starting up as your Windows starts. So you should disable these apps, all of them. But if you cannot disable all the apps like this, I have this software which is my graphics cards launcher. So I'm not gonna disable it, and also I'm not gonna disable Internet Download Manager because I download things in all the way. So I'm gonna enable this. You can also enable some applications which are useful, but disable all the useless applications and click on the close application and you're all set from here. Okay, in the next step we're gonna remove some junk files to make our drives faster. And how do we do it? Simply go to this little search bar, click on that, and here in the search bar of this search section type disk cleanup. Okay, I only typed disk and it is appearing right now, disk cleanup app. Click on it, and from here select the drive where you have installed the Windows. So C in my case, and then click OK, and you will see some options here. Check mark all the files from here as it is, and you can see I'm getting 4.88 gigabytes of space, and that's a lot of space to gain. From here click OK and delete these files because these are completely useless and has no purpose. Okay, so in the last part we're gonna optimize our all the drives, and this part will make our Windows 11 80% faster. So what do we have to do? Only double click on the control panel, and don't worry if you don't have the shortcut. Right click start, and here we will find run. Click on that, and here type control panel in the search bar and click OK, and you will be headed to the control panel. And here in the control panel all you need to do is set your view by category to the large icons here, and here you will see Windows tools right here. Click on it, and here you will find a bunch of Windows tools, but we're gonna choose only defragment and optimize drives. Double click on it, and from here analyze, click on the specific drive, click on analyze, and this will analyze your drive for the defragmentation and if it is fragmented. And as you can see my C drive has been scanned and it is 5% fragmented. So like this, select all the drives one by one, click on analyze, and then optimize all the drives, and trust me, this step will make your Windows more faster. Hope you guys found the video helpful, and if you really did, then don't forget to give that little thumbs up right now. And if you're new on the channel, then consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Till then, hang out and have a fantastic day, or maybe night.